Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with another wig unboxing. Not a wig unboxing, wig review. A ton of you guys have asked me to do some more wig installs, so here we are. I have one from Aliexpress this time, making it a little bit more affordable. Do watch this whole video because there are pros and cons to this hair that I think you would want to know before purchasing. But yeah, if you guys are interested in this little Dominican blowout thingy thing I did, I don't really know what I'm doing, but I made it happen. So if y'all are interested, keep watching.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
I don't think it's big head friendly. This is what it's looking like. It's a pretty color. It feels really nice. I washed the hair. Yeah, it's 16 inches, but it's not 16 inches all the way through. I personally don't like when hair comes already layered like that. Like, as you guys can see, this is like a short piece, and I don't personally like when hair comes like that. All right, so yeah, like I said, we're gonna be using the Ericka J Holds Me Down. So we're gonna do one like just really thick, nice size layer. Typically people go on with like 3, 4. I think one is just fine. So we got on a lot, low key. So now we're going to just spread it. Just like that. We're gonna do this, and we're not gonna lay the wig until it is completely clear. The wig took way too long to get to me, especially coming from Aliexpress. Typically when I order from Aliexpress, it might take like 3 days for me to get it. It took like 2 weeks. As you guys can see, it's definitely drying up. I got some more of Ericka J's products. I low-key like this watermelon. I think last time I just needed to put on more glue. I ended up getting her Holds Me Down lace remover. Even though I removed it with alcohol last time, the alcohol just kind of felt really harsh on my skin. So I'm waiting for her remover to come in to see how easy it is for that to remove. And then I got some of her other products, which I'm excited about. Now that we are pretty clear, we're gonna lay the wig, okay? Oh shit, okay, hold on. So I definitely found that it's a lot easier for me to kind of put it on as a whole, like as a whole unit. Okay, so let's just cut this extra lace off. Guys, this is a 13 by 4, so there's only so much parting space that you get, and then on the sides it's like mainly tracks. So going with our spray. Okay, so curls wise, I'm just going to hairspray, curl, hairspray. I'm going to entwine from forward to backwards, like no particular order, because I want it to like have some body. We're going to hope for the best. That's all we can do. So we're gonna use this hold spray because it's not like a super hold, but it's like a good enough, it's like a good enough hold. And then hope for the best. This is how we look. I'm gonna just like overspray it. Okay, now we're gonna do some baby hairs because it's looking pretty melted, but I want to do some baby hairs. So I went in and kind of plucked the middle a bit, you know, and you like finger comb it a bit. And then I think I need to like put on my little makeup, just make it super cute. This is what it looks like. I genuinely like it. I think that it is actually HD lace, as you guys can see. I feel like some of the knots, I didn't bleach the knot, but I could like pluck a little harder. I feel like I could have plucked a little harder. I like when the hair is sitting like this, so I might need to put on a scarf so it can be a little more how I like it. But I think that like if you know how to finesse a wig, you do a better job than I did. This is supposed to be 16 inches. To me, it looks like 12 inches. So I don't like the fact that it was like described as a 16 inch and this is nowhere near 16 inches. I measured it and I think it's at like 12.5. So that's the only downside. I do like the lace. I do like how easy it was to pluck. I don't, however, like the shedding. Like it's a ton of shedding. When I received it, I immediately went and washed it and there was, you know, some color running out, even though I didn't think that that was anything out of the ordinary. I have white counters and it kind of was getting all over my white counters. So that was just like the downsides. However, I do love the wig. Would I order again from this particular seller? Probably not, because I don't need another wig like this because I have this wig. But am I happy with my purchase? Yes. I just don't see this being 16 inches. Like, this is short. I think it's super cute. I think that you guys would love it. It was 150 bucks. It's 150 density. For me, when it comes to like density, because some people is like, oh, I only want 250 and up. I personally think it's too much, because when it comes to these AliExpress vendors, when you get a 250 density hair, they put all of that in the front and you really want that in the back. Like, you know what I mean? Like you want the back bundles to be full, not your front hairline where you're gonna be plugging it out anyway. So when it comes to me and ordering from AliExpress, I like 13x4 or 13x6 frontals and 150 density. That's just me, because I feel like it's still pretty thick and I'm not looking for anything too big and bold. You can always add tracks, you know what I mean? But as of always, I think that this Ericka J, super cool. I only used one layer this time, but I did use more glue. And then after I went in with the hairspray, like, you know, all these YouTubers be doing, and I definitely think that's how you can ensure that your hair is gonna melt. You definitely need an elastic band, you know what I mean? But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I literally can't stop running my fingers through. I was going for extreme blowout vibes, nothing too like uniform, you know what I mean? I was going for like blowout vibes, and I do love it. I didn't have to cut any layers. Hair kind of already came layered. Didn't really like that. I just keep on shaking shit.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.